Imagine a massive underwater volcano, the Axial Seamount bubbling with molten rock just off the U.S. coast. This geological wonder sits on the Juan de Fuca Ridge, where the Pacific and Juan de Fuca tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart. It's a hot spot, a place where intense heat from the Earth's mantle pushes up, creating searing eruptions beneath the waves. Scientists are closely monitoring it, and you can even watch it live. This volcano is a reminder of the raw power of our planet, constantly reshaping the ocean floor and reminding us of the forces that lie beneath the surface.